In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bank reconciliation on Xero, focusing on reconciling transactions, generating reports, and making sure everything aligns perfectly. We'll make this process as straightforward and efficient as possible so you can confidently manage your financial records. First and foremost, let's dive into the Xero platform. You'll want to navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard where you will see the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can view all the bank accounts that are currently connected to your Xero account. Once you're on the Bank Accounts page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a list of your connected bank accounts, each with their respective details. This is your central hub for managing transactions across your financial portfolio. Next, select the bank account you'd like to reconcile by clicking on the Reconcile button. This is where the real magic happens as we align your Xero records with your actual bank statements. It's crucial to ensure your records are accurate and up to date in this step. At the top of the reconciliation page, you'll notice two important figures: the statement balance and the balance in Xero. These numbers are your guiding stars for the reconciliation process. Your goal is to reconcile your books until these two figures match, which will confirm that your account is properly balanced. Now, let's move on to the actual reconciliation process. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your bank feeds. These are the transactions recorded by your bank. Your next task is to match these transactions with the records on the right side of the screen in Xero. This is where you either match existing transactions or create new ones that accurately reflect what your bank has recorded. This step is essential as it aligns your financial data within Xero with the actual bank records. As you go through this process, take your time to ensure each transaction is accurately matched or created. This might occasionally involve investigating certain transactions further or checking back with any supporting documentation you may have on hand. And once you have aligned all the transactions and the figures at the top of the page match, congrats! Your account is now reconciled. This confirms that your records in Xero accurately represent what's happening in your bank account, providing you with reliable and trustworthy financial data. I hope this guide has simplified the bank reconciliation process in Xero and helps you maintain precise financial records moving forward. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those accounts